Today I went out on a boat to fish on an island. I want to know if I caught any fish or not. Let's follow along. Whoa! The fish is eating a lot, and everyone wants to know how big the fish is. Now the fish has come to the surface, just wait a little longer. Oh, and I will feed it to you all. Here are all the fish I caught today. This fish is very big. Wow, so amazing fish. Now, since the fish here are no longer edible, let's go to a new location. Sit and wait and watch the beautiful ocean view. Wow. You've arrived at a new location, guys. It looks like there might be a lot of fish. The fish is eating a lot, and everyone wants to know how big the fish is. The scenery on this island is so beautiful. I might sleep here tonight.
Today I will sleep on this island.
Tonight, I grilled fish too. I got it during the day. Good night.